Today we are going to learn how to install a 2-channel in-wall relay. Start by opening the switchboard. Since we will be working with live wires, if you are not comfortable, please get a qualified electrician to do the wiring. For the installation we will need a fuse. This fuse is optional, 2 small wires to connect the S1 and S2 terminals to the switches, and another small wire to connect the N terminal to the common neutral. We will start with connecting one side of the fuse to the L terminal. Next, we will wire the S1 and S2 terminals. Make sure the wire is in the correct slot and there are no frayed ends before screwing the terminal. Identify the 2 switches that you want to automate and disconnect the light wires from these switches. Now connect these to the L1 and L2 terminals. If the exposed part of the wire is too long, please cut it off. Now wire the N terminal and connect this to the common neutral. Make sure you connect the neutral first so that the chances of getting a shock are reduced. Now connect the other end of the S1 and S2 wires to the switches. Please check all the connections before proceeding. We will now carefully wire the other end of the fuse to the live line. If you are not comfortable, disconnect the mains before this step. Identify which switch is connected to S1 and turn it on and off 5 times. This will reset the device. The light will turn off and turn on, and the device will start emitting a beeping sound to indicate it is in pairing mode. Open the Smart Life app on your phone and click on the plus icon on the top right corner. Under the electrician menu, click on Switch Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi details. Now click Confirm and click Next. The app will automatically configure the device. This process can take up to 2 minutes. Once it is installed, you can rename the device using the pencil icon. Now click on Done. If you open the device, it will show you the two switches. You can toggle this to check the connections. Now put the module inside the switch box and close the switchboard. The installation is now complete.